Oil prices soared to over $100 a barrel. Mark, what is the number one factor leading oil higher today?
It's definitely the situation in the Middle East and what's happening with Iran. First, we had over the weekend news come out of sanctions that President Obama passed against Iran. This morning, definitely the lead is going on because of Iran military threatening the U.S. Navy and might possibly close down the Strait of Hormuz.
Is all the fear premium, risk premium baked into the oil price, or is there more room to go as this conflict sort of escalates here?
I would definitely say that there's a lot more room to go. I think if we break through this big number of 101.70, we're looking at probably 900 tick projection up, and that's from a technical perspective. But traders are usually going off buy the rumor, sell the news. Meaning
that if a conflict does actually erupt, they might sell it?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that right now the prices have definitely been factored in, but as more rumors come out, that's just giving it a more bullish outlook.
Now, what about the Strait of Hormuz issue, that if Iran actually winds up closing the strait, that accounted for 17 million barrels per day of oil in 2011. What does that do to the oil price?
Oh, it's definitely going to have a major effect because, a third of United States crude oil passes through there, as well as Russian crude oil. We have about 17 countries that rely on the Strait of Hormuz for their crude oil products.
So how much more upside do you think there would be for oil prices if that actually does happen?
Oh, I think we're going to be looking at the next stop at probably $110 crude oil.
Okay. And then, so how are you trading here at around $101, $102 a barrel?
Well, considering it's New Year, we're definitely looking at a lot of upside moves. I'm very bullish, getting long a lot of call spreads. I'm kind of trying to stay delta neutral right now, but it's definitely a lot of upside, and I'm looking to see what volatility is going to do.
Now, it's interesting, the latest Commitment of Traders report, it seemed like both long and short contracts were added by about 25,000 contracts. Does that just also mean that traders are confused, both shorting and going long at the same time, basically?
Well, a lot of traders just came back from vacation. We saw all-time lows of volume, about 1.3 million contracts right before the new year. Just to give you an idea, we usually trade that in about a day. So I just think that a lot of traders are coming back right now to work, and they're putting on new positions to start working on the year-end bonuses.
And then very quickly, on the flip side, do you think that we might see some selling, though, into this rally as traders come back and want to take profits?
Oh, absolutely. If we test this 101.70 area and we don't break through, I think you're definitely going to see a downside move.
What's the support level for the downside move?
Oh, it's back to around $98.
All right, thanks, Mark. I really appreciate it. But for the short term, we're looking at higher oil prices as oil looks to Iran.